To see 18 months of hard work for the first time was great.
The challenge to build a platform in this place is to pick and choose the right features. What do you use, what is required, and kind of make a choice that is then ready for the requirements for the next couple of years.
Designed really for the applications today like SDI/IP gateways, but also designed for the future for high capacity video and audio processing.
Such a platform needs to stay relevant for the requirements in the next decade.
Allowing people to connect cameras, production switches, replay devices where they need it, whether it be in an OB truck, whether it be in a fly pack, or whether it be a broadcast facility. Edge really embraces this. The main challenge in developing .Edge is a number of things. First of all, to reduce the size of the product into a form factor which provides significant benefits for the customer, like saving in rack space, reduction in cooling and reduction in power, but also at the same time embracing new technologies like 25 and 100 gig.
Everything we've built with customers over the last 5-7 years has influenced what the Edge is today.
The future of Edge is adding more capabilities and applications to the device to address some of the concerns customers have around processing of signals, and also things like compression and being able to move the signals through more cost-effective network connections. To switch to .Edge is very easy. It was designed from the very start to abstract the technology, to allow our customers to transition from SDI to SDI OIP in the most simplest way.